Hello, my lovely students. Welcome to my channel, The Learning Lodge. As you all know by the description, this channel is related to horticulture, all about horticulture. So, starting with our very first video, what is horticulture and some important terms, terminologies related to the course. So, horticulture, as you can see, it is derived from Latin word hortus and cultura. Hortus meaning garden and cultura meaning cultivation. That means garden cultivation. The term is originated in 17th century. Father of horticulture was Thomas Andrew Knight, John Lindley, Liberty Hyde Bailey. Father of vegetable, L.H. Bailey from USA. Father of modern orchidology, John Lindley. The very first book introduced in the course by the title Fruits Growing in India was written by author W.B. Hayes in 1945. India is the second largest producer of fruits in the world, and first is China. The term Golden Revolution we have read about in our earlier classes is related to fruit production. Now we'll learn about a very important concept of seedlessness. What is it? It is development of fruit without pollination or fertilization. Whenever a fruit develops without fertilization and pollination, it is known as seedlessness. The term parthenocarpy was introduced by Null in 1902. There are four kinds of parthenocarpy: natural parthenocarpy, second is facultative parthenocarpy, third is vegetative parthenocarpy, and fourth stimulative parthenocarpy. Natural or obligatory or automatic parthenocarpy is the development of seedlessness due to genetic sterility. Okay, so there are three things to keep in mind about natural parthenocarpy because it is important and questions in entrances come from this. Like, what are the crops associated to natural parthenocarpy? So, the three things which are important are that is caused due to genetic sterility. Second, it requires vegetative methods of propagation. Third, the crops are banana, persimmon, and pineapple. Okay. Then second is the facultative parthenocarpy, which is due to environmental stimulations or the changes we can see in environment. Okay, and the crops related to facultative parthenocarpy are grapes, tomato, citrus, cucumber, and watermelon. In tomato, the parthenocarpy is controlled by a single gene, which is recessive, or that is single recessive gene. The vegetative parthenocarpy, it is natural parthenocarpy. Then it comes stimulative parthenocarpy, which occurs due to external stimulations or artificial method or pollination. Okay, so crop fruit examples which in which stimulative parthenocarpy can be seen is grapes and watermelon. Okay, after parthenocarpy, the second is stenospermocarpy, which was given by Stout in 1936. By Stout in 1936. What is stenospermocarpy? It is natural pollination and fertilization, but abortion of embryo leads to seedlessness. That means pollination will occur normally, fertilization will occur, but after fertilization, the embryo will abort. Okay, examples are grapes and watermelon. In grapes, varieties like Thompson, Sultania, and Black Monica. First, seedlessness in grapes was studied by Olmo in 1934. What? Seedlessness first time in grapes was studied by Dr. Olmo in 1934, and spontaneous mutant very common in apple and citrus. Okay, this was all about stenospermocarpi. Okay, now we'll learn what is seedlessness in citrus. It means in citrus, due to absence of pollination, parthenocarpy occurs. Some varieties in citrus in which we can see parthenocarpy are Mandarin, sweet orange, Tahelia lime, Orbulenco. Okay. In Mandarin variety Calmulens, Sutania Mandarin. In sweet orange variety Washington Navel Orange, show parthenocarpy. In Tahelia lime, parthenocarpy is shown because of triploid formation. Okay, because of triploid formation, Tahelia lime में parthenocarpy is shown. The Orbulenco variety is the cross between Citrus grandis and Citrus peridaceae. Okay. After natural parthenocarpy, there are artificial or stimulated parthenocarpy. In tomato, occurs due to induction of IAA and GA3. In locust, GA3. Orange, lime, and grapes are induced with IAA, and brinjal is induced with 2,4-D and IAA. Biodiversity in crops. Last topic of this video. Biodiversity in crops means sum total of diversity in biosphere. In whole biosphere, the diversity is known as biodiversity. Okay. Important term you need to remember is sui generis. It is important. It is a Latin word. It means a system of its own. In India, sui generis is IPR, protection of varieties, which is under PPV and FR Act. What is PPV and FR Act? I'll tell you in a while. PBR means plant breeders' right. Okay, it is the right for plant breeders, right for plant variety protection system. It was induced for uh, right for plant variety protection. Okay, new plant registration comes under PPV and FR Act. It is for breeders' right. Okay, it is a hybrid right which includes farmers' right. Its full form is Protection of Plant Variety and Farmers' Right Act, introduced in 2001. Its headquarter is located in New Delhi. Located in New Delhi. The rules for the act was given in 2003, but it comes into force in 2005. Okay. Another term which is important you should know is extent variety. It is farmer's variety. Extent variety is the farmer's variety. It is available in India. It is the variety about which there is common knowledge. About which there is common knowledge means कि farmers, local breeders, everyone knew about the variety. Okay. The next is new variety registration. Why it is important? Because it confirms, it gives novelty, distinctiveness, uniformity, and stability to the released variety. The plant variety which are exported in less than 1 years in India and 4 to 6 years in outside India. Now total DUS centers in India is 107. DUS centers means D stands for distinctiveness, U stands for uniformity, and S stands for stability. Distinctiveness, uniformity, and stability centers in India. There are total 107 centers in India. Okay, so this was all about the topic and the video. Hope you liked the video and it was helpful to you. So stay connected to the channel for more such important contents and knowledge about horticulture. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.